All right, so we're going street skating today. We're not quite sure where we want to go. There's either this spot in Stockton or spots in San Jose. San Jose, I definitely know a lot more spots. I only know of one in Stockton, and I actually don't know where it is. So here we go. Heads is Stockton, tails is San Jose. Heads.
So we're going to Stockton.
Boom! All right, so we drove all the way to Stockton. It's actually a really far drive, a lot further than I thought. And I've always seen this in videos, and it's pretty incredible that I've never skated this, seeing how it's not that far away. Well, further than I thought, but still not that far away. And it's like an incredible manny pad. This is not something you find every day. Flat, down, flat. So, I don't know. We're gonna see if we can get something. So they like fully bondoed all of the cracks on this side, but that side seems better, actually.
Well, then again, it is street skating. Nothing's ever perfect out here.
True.
We're good.
I gotta eat something, I'm starving.
It's a genuine smile right there, dude. So you kind of land like, you're going to land in between those cracks, but it doesn't really stop you. You be right away from it.
I've been more worried about this one.
That doesn't bother me at all.
I know, me too. I love that they bondoed everyone except for that. Yeah, no big deal. Right at the end, you just die, fall all the way into the water.
You didn't think I was going to shoot you out that fast. It looks mellow, but dude. Not grind. Think I can make it?
It's pretty far.
I think I can make it.
You're gonna really ollie that?
I can clear.
You crazy?
Go for it. I forgot if I just go fast and hook it, I can make it. Cause like this is like no speed at all.
Oh yeah.
I can make that.
Right here, Jamba Juice. Right here.
Ah! Yeah, let's go!
Ow. You got it, man. You got it like a
Ah! Ah! We're out here, Stockton, California. Famous Manny Pad spot, famous area in Kyro. Let's get it.
A little too much flip, not quite enough catch. It's like the 3 Bears story.
I'm craving McDonald's right now. Like a McDouble will sound lovely at the moment. We should go there after this one. Take a little lunch break. The fries are bomb, dude. Hey, leave it in a comment below if you like the fries at McDonald's. Woo! I had to wait a little bit. I literally almost screamed right when he landed. I told you. Hold on.
Hang on for dear life. I landed a single trick. Wow. A trick was landed.
Yes, dude.
Carlos landed 300. I got one.
I don't care, dude.
I'm in there. That's
Leave in
trouble.
the comments below if you like McDonald's fries, dude. Yeah. Listen to what I'm listening to, dude.
Backstreet back. All right. Oh,
That's
dude.
George Michael, just the same thing. Oh, look at, here's an iguana. Dude, that's sick. He's like strapped in too.
Should we try and find some other spots?
Yeah, I'm just really hungry right now. So.
You eat food?
Huh?
I didn't know you ate food.
Yeah, I'm human. You
Oh.
guys are, that's the #1 question. Am I human? Yeah, last I checked.
He's not human, guys. He's a robot built to manual. We made it to Stockton. We're extremely lost. We don't know where we are. We can't find McDonald's. Carlos is starving to death. He's withering away. We might not make it home. That RV was fully on fire. Straight up. It's a war zone out here in Stockton. Look for spots though, guys.
Leave in comments below.
So, we're going to this random bank in the middle of nowhere, in a ditch, in a farmer's field. Maybe it'll be good. I've actually skated it before, it's pretty good. I'm just hoping that there's not water. But it seems like it's been warm enough to where it's not gonna be water, so let's give it a go. Yeah, oh, just a nice little drive into the woods. Made it! We made it! We finally made it! It might have been the longest drive we've ever had to any spot ever in the history of Braille. Let's go. What?
There's a snake over here. Oh my god, dude. I literally... What is that? It's right
What
there.
the hell?
Oh,
No,
hey,
Carlos.
man. Hey. Dude,
What?
he's fast. Stop coming near me. I'm coming near you. Dude, that scared the hell out of me.
Scared the hell out of me too, and I was standing really far away from it. Realize that it's in that bush. And to get back to the car,
We have to go up that way.
this is why we don't leave the Braille house. I mean, you guys wonder why.
Speak for yourself. I love nature.
How good is this spot?
It looks good. It smells good.
Here's the other thing that's pretty sick. This morning when I went to the Braille house, I was like, Aaron, bring a broom. You will need a broom today. And then here we are, and I need a broom, and I didn't bring it. How sick.
What the hell is that?
A giant bump. Definitely need a broom though. Broom was certainly needed. good. We're good to go. When you're a snake and you hear the sound of skateboards, you're out. Should I get his back on that? First try. Frontside flip. Get Carlos's back.
Yes.
Who did it better? Leave it in the comments below. What in the?
It's like scary, but it's not scary.
Got a little bit of a problem here. My bolt is just like, it literally doesn't even thread anymore. I could just take it on and off. What? Seriously?
Watch like an anaconda come out and just take me, dude.
Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed this street skating. I mean, we went to a couple spots.
It's fun.
We're like fried, literally. The sun has fried us. Yes.
No
There you
bueno.
go.
No bueno.
So yeah, it was a rad spot. If you guys like these videos and you want us to do more, we see a ton of comments of like, get out of the Braille house, go skate in the street, go skate in the street. So like the video, share this with your friends, subscribe if you're not already subscribed. We'll see you in the next video. Click right here for all of the other videos in the playlist. Click right here to learn how to skateboard. You guys want to learn how to skateboard, that's brailleskateboarding.com. They got everything you need to know, or have, or do, or be. I'll see you in the next video.
Hey, you guys leaving? Get out of here.